everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, imagine the pinnacle of road trip luxury, a vehicle that combines Bentley's legendary craftsmanship with the freedom of a motorhome. This is the 2025 Bentley Motorhome. Let's take a deep dive into this ultimate travel experience. From the first glance, the Bentley Motorhome commands attention. Its sleek yet commanding presence is a seamless blend of automotive elegance and high-end touring comfort. A signature chrome matrix grille, LED headlights inspired by the Continental GT, and aerodynamic contours redefine what a motorhome can be. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a 5-star hotel on wheels. Hand-stitched leather upholstery, wood veneers, and diamond-quilted seating elevate the living space. The interior is bathed in ambient lighting, setting the perfect mood for relaxation. Bentley didn't just focus on aesthetics, the 2025 motorhome is packed with smart technology. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with a 15-inch OLED touchscreen provides seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. Voice-activated controls and AI-assisted driving make long trips effortless. And yes, it even features biometric security for added exclusivity. Under the hood, Bentley offers a plug-in hybrid V8 engine, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, the ride is as smooth as a Bentley should be. Whether you're cruising the highway or tackling winding mountain roads, this motorhome ensures unparalleled comfort and stability. The Bentley Motorhome isn't just about driving, it's about living. It boasts a fully equipped kitchen with top-tier appliances, a spacious master suite with a king-size bed, and a lavish bathroom featuring marble finishes. Plus, a built-in wine cooler and espresso machine. Bentley knows how to pamper its travelers. With a starting price of around $1.5 million, the 2025 Bentley Motorhome isn't for everyone. But for those who demand the ultimate in luxury, performance, and comfort, this is the road travel experience redefined. Would you take this Bentley on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more luxury automotive reviews.